ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಜೈಪುರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ. ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಫೋಟೋಸ್ನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಕಮ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. ಎಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಔಟ್ಫಿಟ್ ಹೀಗಿದೆ. ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಔಟ್ಫಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಐಟ್ನರಿ ಬಂದು ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್ ಜೈಪುರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹದ್ದು. ಜೈಪುರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹವಾ ಮಹಲ್, ಜಂತರ್ ಮಂತರ್, ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂಬರ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್, ಸಿಟಿ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಔಟ್ಫಿಟ್ ನಂದಿದು. ಸೊ ಕಮ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ವ್ಲಾಗ್. ವಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ. ಫೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏನೇನೋ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ಸು, ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೇನು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋದು.
Government of Rajasthan, Department of Tourism. Rajasthan government issued the license as a tour guide after full training. My name Babu, but people say to me Babu Bhai, Bhai like a brother.
Babu Bhai.
So first I want to explain about Jaipur. You are ready?
Yes.
To listen?
Yes, Babu Bhai.
Ji madam, thank you so much. Jaipur city founded by Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II, 18 November 1727. Fixed date to found Jaipur city. Very old range of Aravalli mountain. Local stones get from there. In Jaipur, cutting, polishing, designing are lot of. That's why Jaipur city is biggest market in the world for precious and semi-precious stones. 84 kind of different gemstones, colorful gemstones in Jaipur making and manufacturing. If you see the history of gemstones, started by 3 Muslim families in Jaipur for the Maharaja. Now 75 to 80% Muslim population in Jaipur depend on that work. If you see any Muslim colony, small kids with parents are sitting and they are busy to make the gemstones. Slowly the technique comes on the fabric. 25 kilometers far from Jaipur city, Sangane town. First time they using block printing on the fabric. Now city is very big. Old city is very congested. Outside the pre-planned city, in new city area, that people is making block printing on the fabric. Ready item, tie and dye saris. Hindi name? Bandhani. Lehriya used in monsoon season. The favorite design of Jaipur Maharani, Lehriya in monsoon season. Tie and dye saris, Jaipuri saris, bed sheet, bed cover, cushion cover, dresses, dress material, 1000 type of pashmina shawls. But one item is very famous, ready for entry Guinness Book of World Record. You know that item? I think madam know.
No, I don't.
Really?
Not updated in Google.
Ready for entry Guinness Book of World Record. Jaipuri, you know, 4 things already entry Guinness Book of World Record. 4 items. Jantar Mantar, there one instrument, entry Guinness Book of World Record. Yeah. Largest sundial in the world. Largest sundial in the world. Entry Guinness Book of World Record. Second, inside the city palace, 2 silver jar. Largest piece of silver in the world. One is army fort here, that one called Jagat Fort. There is still one cannon, J1, biggest in the world. Entry Guinness Book of World Record. And 4th number, if you see the temple Lord Krishna, there one prayer room, Satsang Bhavan, 40 feet long without any pillar. That one also entry Guinness Book of World Record. So 4 things already entry Guinness Book of World Record. And 5th number, ready for entry, Guinness Book of World Record. That one Jaipuri Razai quilt. Jaipuri quilt. Weight only 100 gram. Can use minus degree temperature. Yeah, very small package and very cheaper. That's why Jaipuri quilt now ready for entry, Guinness Book of World Record.
Only 100 grams for so quick?
Just wait. Unbelievable. You will touch that one and you can that one in single bag. If you take double one, actually this time in quilt more progress, about 19 type of the quilt are making. Inside you made by hand. That's why called handicraft items. Like some marble item, leather item, wooden item, bangles, but very famous item in Jaipur, completely done by hand. That one is camel wool carpet.
Camel wool.
Camel wool. I think you listening first time. Camel wool. Sir, 25% part of this state surrounded by desert. Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bikaner, Bardmer, desert area. Lot of camels are live there. Jaipur is capital city of Rajasthan. Easily bring the camel wool from there. In Jaipur, first make the yarn of camel wool, then put in vegetable color dyes. Some expert person took the design from fort and palaces. They make map. According to map, they start to weaving to carpet. Started by men, but middle part of carpet very hard to make. Then using ladies' fingers, because ladies' fingers are soft than men. Then they are making ladies' carpet. That one is called village art. Villager ladies in summer season, they are free. They come from to village area and they are making. It means that one about 22 process to make the carpet. You see your front side. That one is Tripolia gate.
What is that?
Tripolia gate. Used only for royal ladies. Royal family is still using this gate inside city palace. So only Maharaja's family can enter only from this gate. For the other people are not allowed. That one called Tripolia gate. Animals, horse, elephants, and ladies are using Rajasthani dress. You can see in Chowki Rani, there ladies are using traditional Rajasthani dress and dances. It means about 1 kilometer procession from here. Left side, one sitting capacity for the tourist. Tourism department here, they make chairs, old people can sit there, and that program start from here. See, one corner, 65 feet long left side, middle divider, and same location you can see right hand. So those time he makes 7,000 shops like this, and underground here metro working, underground, and metro start from here. That one circle of Hawa Mahal, Hawa Mahal circle, that one. Now Hawa Mahal will come on the way. Left side, if you want to take some pictures right now you can take. Otherwise last we come here, then we take some more pictures, because actually their parking is problem. A small car also they can't stop. So Hawa Mahal built by Maharaja Pratap Singh 1799. Inside the Hawa Mahal he made 365 windows. If the Maharaja passing from here, see, the Maharani can sit behind the window. See the left side. But nobody can see to face of Maharanis, because Maharani use parda.
Oh,
According to parda system, nobody can see to face of Maharanis. So we will come back one more time here. You can take some pictures now if you want. Otherwise we come back here. Okay, back. We go to Chowki Rani, go from here, then we stop here. All right. You will see there, one is Amber, A-M-B-R. Second, A-M-E-R. Reason for two names? You know, in this mountain area can find lot of amber stone. So Amber to Amber. Second is Amer. Inside the town, very old temple goddess Ambavati. So Ambavati to Amer and Amber Stone to Amer. In our training, tourism officers are explained both name is right. That's why local people of the town pronoun Amer.
Okay.
Amer. But in books and history written Amber. Right?
Yes. So as they told ಅಂಬರ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೈ ವಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ನಾವು ಜೀಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಜೀಪ್ 650 rupees ಪರ್ ಜೀಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ 1500 ಏನೋ ಆಗುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ನ ತೊಗೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ವ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಓವರ್ ದೇರ್. Yes, we'll take a picture and we'll move from here. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅಂಬರ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಗೆ ಜೀಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ 2 ಜೀಪ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾವಾ.
Hi.
ಹಾಯ್ ಪಿಲ್ಲು. ಹಾಯ್ ಕುಂಬ. Let's start our journey. Okay. On the way we can see again. Streets. Oh. Which gate is this?
Even now the king and queen lives here.
ಚಿನ್ನನಿಂದ ಅವನಿಲ್ಲ 2
ಆನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. Oh, there is a temple here. Meenakshi.
राजस्थानी ड्रेस पहन के फोटो भी ड्रेस के ऊपर ड्रेस डाल के निकालते 2 मिनट लगेगा बाउल तो बाहर से देखना.
Many daddy? Oh, step well. It was one of the addition ನಾವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. ಹಾಂ ಅಂಕಲ್. Yes, I'll see you 1 minute. I'll show you. See you. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಲ ನೋಡ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ.
बिठा देता ऊपर भेजो
50 रुपए अच्छा फोटो
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಂಬಾ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಸಿಟಿ ವ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಫೋರ್ಟಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫೋರ್ಟ್. ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Now we are entering into Amba Fort. Shahwada Fort is. Oh, there are elephants.
royal family of Jaipur. Door of the temple made by silver plate. देखा आपने silver?
Yeah.
75 kilogram original silver plate and inside teak wood and you see the top. Gate के ऊपर देखो. Throw Ganpati. Throw of Asia. Sir, throw of Asia. Biggest piece of coral stone.
Oh,
See that one is coral.
the top one.
Throw of Asia.
Single
biggest piece
coral.
of coral stone. And this temple is still controlled by royal family of Jaipur. Please, attention. Right now, we are inside the Amber Fort, built by 3 Maharajas. First Maharaja of this fort was Man Singh first. He started to build this fort 1590. Second Maharaja of this fort was Jai Singh first. Third Maharaja was Jai Singh second. It means all fort completed by 3 generations, by 3 kings. That's why interior area divided in 3 parts. First part, you are behind public audience hall. Those time Maharaja can take the meeting of public here. Second part, inside the gate, residence part of Maharanis. Also like this type big area. Second part. And third part, Maharaja Man Singh Palace. So all 3 parts are very different. If you see the deeply in this fort, you can see Hindu and Muslim, both architecture mixed. This fort belonged to Hindu king. Here king were Kachawa Rajput. But Muslim architecture here together. Reason, here king's daughter, Jodha Bai, married with Mughal Emperor Akbar. You know Akbar has 3 wives.
Yes.
You see Fatehpur Sikri,
Yes.
there are 3 parts of 3 wives. So Jodha Bai belongs from this fort. According to big politics, are married with Mughal Emperor Akbar. If the Mughal Emperor will come here, will see to architecture, may be happy. That's why Hindu and Muslim both architecture here together. See the red color pillar and middle the pillars of carvings, flowers or Muslim architecture. Inside white color pillar and top of the pillar elephant with lotus flower. Hindu architecture. Both architecture together. So those time normally people, audience never can see to face of Maharani because Maharani used Parda. According to Parda system, nobody can see to face of Maharanis. It means those time if Maharaja want to take the meeting here, no Maharani can sit there. Sit behind the marble screen. Marble screen has a small hall. She can walk in from there, but nobody can see to face of Maharanis. Middle of the marble screen you can see one window. That one is welcome window.
What window?
Welcome window.
Welcome window.
Maharaja Jai Singh has 2 wives. Listen me, Maharaja Jai Singh has 2 wives. So there, 2 bedroom, inside the bedroom, and 2 Maharani compulsory to sit there near the window and waiting to king. She already decorated in one plate some rose flower leaves. If the Maharaja enters inside, then Maharani throw the flowers from there. So that window called welcome window. Just outside the gate you can see the Ganpati. Again you see the Ganpati.
Yeah.
We pray for good luck.
Yeah.
Son of Shiva. Mother name?
Parvati.
All of them part you are looking, take the name from Ganesh. That one called Ganesh pole. Pole means gate. And just around the Ganesh you can see some paintings.
Yes.
350-year-old. Paintings, colors are as it is. No renovation, no changing. Blue color from indigo flowers.
Indigo
Listen
flowers.
me. Blue color take from indigo flowers. Green color from spinach. Green vegetables.
Spinach.
Yellow from turmeric.
Turmeric.
Curry powder. Red color from sugar cane. White color from onion.
Onion.
Black color from black almond.
Okay.
In case it makes another color can mix 2 colors. Try to understand. 350 years ago, the technique using on the wall and gate, but now in practical you can see in your eyes people is using on the fabric. You can see the gold shining, that painting also yellow ones. Other color. Other color in this painting take from stone color. Red from ruby stone, green from emerald, blue from lapis lazuli, and red color from japanese. You know how to take the color? You know after using all stone. By 4 items. Try to understand. This plaster on the wall It's very special work made by marble powder, calcium hydroxide, too many eggs and wheat flour. 4 things. Lot of days I'll grind all of them things, make one material, then put on the wall. So this one very special work of marble plaster. In case in summer season, if the temperature outside very high, 40 degree, 50 degree in summer season, this plaster absorbs sunlight and keeps cool. If the temperature outside very high, inside the pot automatically you can feel very cool. After this plaster, for shining, for finishing, you know, inside the egg yellow color type, egg yolk and coconut oil. 2 things mixed make the cream, then polish. See the shining on the wall. See the shining. Looks like a new, but 400-year-old. As it is. कैसा भी लगाओ अच्छा ना कैसा बात और ऊपर वर्कआउट देगा see or behind in this showcase one wheelchair that time if any special occasion or if any special function in this fort Maharani put on about 15 to 20 kilogram dress then Maharani can't walk because very heavy costumes lot of jewelry silver gold and stone jewelry very heavy lehenga then 2 assistant ladies can push Maharani can go everywhere. So this wheelchair used by royal ladies after full dressing up can't walk. 1621. He had 2 wives. In this area he made 2 bedrooms for 2 wives. 1 bedroom just left side and 1 bedroom right hand. Just to think if the temperature in summer 40-50 degree, that plaster is not enough for full cooling. King has brilliant mind. Inside he make natural air conditioning system. That one natural air conditioning system. Upstairs,
air conditioner.
madam, upar he make 2 water tank and contact to copper pipe. Inside the water tank, some perfume are including. If throw the water from water tank, scented water comes middle the gallery, and around that marble screen you can see a small hole. Outside open for air. Filter air comes from outside. Scented water comes from outside. So water and air combination hole will be cool. Natural air conditioning system. सबके समझ में आया? Very good. And white one is ivory one. But that design and your behind garden design, if you compare are same. This one called geometrical design. Geometrical design means 3 architecture together. Hindu, Muslim and Persian. Hindu, Muslim, Persian architecture mixed here. And inside also. All together. Right now we are here just near the Sheesh Mahal. Special classes that can bring from Belgium, from Europe. From the Belgium, brought very big piece of the glass, but here cut and change different architecture, Titan and Durable Plus. So throughout Asia, this is first building you are looking, Hindu, Muslim and Persian, all 3 architecture together. 2 bedroom is seen already, used in summer season. Their natural air conditioning system. 2 bedroom here, used in winter season. Inside the winter bedroom, natural heating system. 1 bedroom there and 2nd bedroom other side. Inside the bedroom of Maharani, lot of work of glasses. If we burn few candle, from the reflection of candle, glass take heat and slowly whole will be warm. So natural heating system, natural air conditioning system. Give me mobile now.
ಅದೇನು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ
Oh, super photo. Started from here by Maharaja Man Singh, 1590. This is originally first part, oldest part also here. So started from here by Maharaja Man Singh, 1590. He had 12 wives. In this area, he made 12 bedroom for 12 wives. 3 bedroom there, 3 that side, 3 over behind, and 3 bedroom in this area. Top at the corner, Maharaja Man Singh room. Inside you live
12 BHK.
Inside you winter time, outside you summer time. 2 balcony there, 2 balcony that side, and 2 balcony there. 6 balconies. In one balcony, 2 Maharani can sit there. One curtain more hanging, Maharani can watching from there. In this old Maharaja Mansingh enjoy with 400 dancers. 400 dancers, concubines here. That one like an unofficial wife. Official wife? 12. To manage 12 official wife, 3 problem very big. To manage 400 unofficial, no problem. To manage 12 official wife, 3 problem very big. First problem, just to notice how he can meet to 12 Maharanis. Just near the bedroom of Maharani, he make one secret passage, upside and this type covered. So those time, if Maharaja like any Maharani, he can go by the secret passage and easy way he can talk. But never know this matter, other side queens. Today king which queen like much better. Because if they know this matter, first impress may be angry, with jealous. Second effect, 12 marriage not simply marriage, like a political wife. Queens were other king's daughter. If any queen angry with king, then she can complain her father. So that time, if the small fighting converted big war. Problem was very big, but easy way can solve by the secret passage. I will show you now secret passage. Second problem, every day no possible to talk. In one day he can talk 2 and 3 queens. Second day can't talk. Some personal doctor of Maharaja, they advise to king, you should go for hunting around the fort is mountain area. There some herbals, some animal meat can eat, take more energy. Again they can talking to Maharanis. Third problem, according to history, first time no children, 12 queens but no kids. He was very worried. Then he prayed to Kali. Kali say in dream, if you make for me one temple in your fort, I will success to you. Even if you go in fighting time, then also will be success. According to dream, one black color idol of Kali you seen already, he bring from West Bengal. According to dream he found there. He bring from there and he make the temple inside the fort. After temple, Kali again say in dream, if you want make happy, I need 2 things more. She say in dream, that time he start to prayer, early morning 5 o'clock, I need 1 wine bottle and I need 1 head of the goat, sacrifice. 16th century quarter to 1975. In this period, just in front of the temple, there 1 goat sacrifice. But after just 1975, outside the fort, in this area, 1 black courtyard, there every day 1 goat sacrifice and 1 wine bottle comes to the temple, even today. It means all fort you are looking, more than 1 kilometer area, controlled by government of Rajasthan, Department of Tourism and Archaeology. But that temple, I told you already, still controlled by royal family of Jaipur. About the royal family of Jaipur, very comfortably, I will explain in car.
Yes. Who are those people who are ringing the bell and the drums in the Kali temple? Just locals?
The priest.
They're priests?
Yeah, priest. And according to history, with the goddess from the West Bengal, they came 4 families of Bengali families. Now about 40-45 families of Bengalis are living in town. Those times they came only 4 Bengali families. Now I'm showing to you the secret passage. Please come here.
So did the all the Maharanis know about the secret passage or no?
Maharani know, but they don't talk each other. Because
He knew about the passage?
After the temple,
they know about the secret passage, but they don't talk each other because Maharaja's direction. If you're talking about this matter, how can manage the whole 12 queens? This time, 5 manage big
So they were understanding wives. That's important.
They are understanding, but not correlation.
For war.
After the temple,
1 minute.
See inside the balcony, 1 passage. दिख रहा?
that is the secret passage.
Whole side. Whole side he make. Whole side he makes secret passage.
after the temple, he got kids.
Yeah.
How many?
16.
16.
तो 12 वरानियाँ थी तो 16
हो मारो हो जलालो बिलालो मारो लालो मत वालो मारो केसरियो बल में गरी आवेसी बेगरी
जगह पर देता है
उसका डायरेक्टर लेके आया था ये 2 कढ़ाई ओनली फॉर द शूटिंग फिल्म जोधा अकबर की आफ्टर शूटिंग ही लेफ्ट हियर अब हम डेली समझाते हैं कि जोधा अकबर की शूटिंग के लिए लेके आए थे
मैं अभी इसमें ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಲೇ ತಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ವಾಲ್ ನಾನು